Which automatic pop-up camping tent is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the real gems. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Wakeman 2-Person Tent. Let's kick things off with the Wakeman 2-Person Outdoors Camping Tent. Priced at just $21.18, it's a total steal. What caught my eye is its lightweight design and bestseller badge, which indicates it's a favorite among buyers. If you want a budget-friendly option that won't weigh you down on your camping trips, this is worth a serious look. So why should you consider this tent? First off, it's made from 100% polyester, ensuring durability and weather resistance. Weighing just 2.75 pounds, it's perfect for hiking or beach trips. The included rainfly is a lifesaver during unexpected downpours, plus the ventilation window helps keep the air flowing on warmer nights. With dimensions of 77 x 57 x 40, it's cozy for 2 people, making it ideal for couples or friends. Now here's the thing. Some users noted that the space can feel a bit cramped if you're bringing a lot of gear. However, this isn't a deal breaker if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to carry. If you're mostly going for short camping trips, this won't matter much. This is perfect for you if you're a solo traveler or a couple on a budget. Skip this one if you need extra space for lots of camping gear. Honestly, for the price, you can't go wrong with this one. Now, if the limited space of the Wakeman bothered you, the next one on our list might actually be even better for group camping. Product number 2, Lontran 4-Person Tent. Next up is the Lontran 4-Person Easy Pop-Up Tent, retailing at $84.90. This tent caught my attention with its quick setup and spacious design, making it a great choice for families. If you want something that accommodates more people without the hassle of complicated setup, this deserves your attention. The standout feature here is its instant pop-up capability. It sets up in seconds. Just open the bag and let it spring into shape. Plus, the mesh front and back doors provide excellent airflow while keeping bugs out. The tent measures 9.2 x 6.6 feet and has a height of 4.3 feet, which means you can fit 3-4 sleeping bags or 2-3 people comfortably with their gear. And with 8 tent pegs included, you can secure it firmly against the wind. That said, some customers mentioned that it can struggle a bit in gusty winds. But honestly, if you're camping in a calm area, it's more than adequate. Just keep in mind that it's not designed for extreme weather. This tent is perfect for families or small groups who want an easy setup. Skip this one if you're planning to tackle severe weather conditions. Overall, for the price point and features, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more space. Product number 3, Hui Lyng 4-Person Tent. Coming in at $80.99, we have the Hui Lyng 4-Person Easy Pop-Up Tent. What really grabbed my attention was its spacious interior and clever design features. If you're looking for a roomy tent that's super easy to set up, this one's definitely worth a look. This tent also boasts an instant pop-up setup, which takes about 20 seconds, so you can spend more time enjoying nature and less time fiddling with poles. The interior space is 9.5 x 6.6 feet, accommodating up to 4 people comfortably. It includes double-layer windows and doors for great ventilation and privacy options. Plus, the waterproof fabric holds up well against light rain, making it suitable for casual camping. However, some users reported that it's not the best for heavy rain, so if you're camping in a rain-heavy area, you might want to consider that. But for casual weekend trips or family outings, it's a strong contender. This is perfect for casual campers who need a spacious setup. Skip this if you're frequently camping in heavy rain. For the price, it's a solid choice for family outings. Now, if you liked the features of the Hui Lyng but want something even more robust, stick around for our next pick. Product number 4, Happy Travel Camping Tent. Next on our list is the Happy Travel Camping Tent, priced at $75.99. This one stood out to me because of its weatherproof capabilities and spacious design. If you need a tent that protects you from the elements while offering enough room for the family, definitely keep this one in mind. It features a hydraulic setup system that allows you to pop it up in under a minute. The breathable mesh screens and dual-layer design keep bugs out while allowing airflow, which is essential for those hot summer nights. Plus, it's made of durable waterproof materials, ensuring you stay dry even in light rain. However, some reviews pointed out that it's a bit heavier at 9.3 pounds, which could be an issue for backpacking trips. If you're car camping or at a festival, this weight shouldn't be a big deal. This tent is perfect for family camping where comfort is key. Skip this one if you're a solo backpacker needing something ultralight. For the features it offers, it's a fantastic value. And if you're looking for something even better for group camping, our final option is one to check out. Product number 5, Lantern 4-Person Premium Tent. Finally, we have the Lantern 4-Person Premium Tent at $119.99. This one really caught my eye with its spacious interior and premium materials. If you want a high-quality tent with plenty of features for family camping, this is worth considering. It offers a generous 11.5 x 7.5 feet floor space, making it fit for 4-5 people easily. The mesh doors provide great ventilation and can be zipped up for privacy. Plus, it comes with a vestibule area for muddy shoes, keeping the interior neat. However, it's a bit pricier than the others on this list, which might deter some budget-conscious buyers. But if you're serious about camping, the extra space and features justify the cost. This tent is perfect for families who prioritize comfort and quality. Skip this if you're looking for the cheapest option. For what you get, it's a worthy investment. To wrap things up, we've looked at a range of automatic pop-up tents from budget-friendly to more premium options, each with its own unique strengths. We've covered some fantastic options today, from the budget-friendly Wakeman tent to the spacious Lantern Premium model. Whether you're a solo camper or planning a family trip, there's a perfect tent on this list for you. Happy camping!